Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's still the same day, but it's in the night and we're about to try out the, what we doing, restaurant week? You can't talk?
Bro, you just...
Yeah, so we're about to try the restaurant week thing right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to partake in the ones in Kingston, I'm not really sure. So, seeing that we're here, we're going to be doing this one here. I think it's like, what, 2,800 per plate or something like that. So, and you get like an appetizer.
Full course meal.
A full course meal, pretty much. So, we're going to try that out real quick. Guys, you don't know money now, but I kind of like that. Having a female who can handle stuff sometimes. Because, you know, women are, this is what the guys, you know, women will be like, yo, I don't like how the food tastes, bring it back. That type of thing, and then and then you know guys would be like, yo, it's cool. It's kind of good having like a companion to do that. And then she was like, and then I don't wanna, okay. Anyway, and then she was like, I wanna see if someone's gonna see that, because I wanna know if they see us, if someone see us here. So that's what we did pretty much. It was me having fun at sea, but yeah.
But it's definitely easier so they know that someone came to say, hey, let me go check this order.
Yeah, that's true. But like, outside is a little bit more calm and laid back and chill and stuff. But I want the hard rock experience. I want to like hear the sports game around me and stuff, you know. So that's why I'm pretty much here anyway. Well, that's why we here. Trying to show you guys the experience. Yeah. Alright guys, for those of you who are interested for the 2017 restaurant week at Hard Rock, see you got the restaurant week sign there, so you know it's it. This is what. Hey, what's up, sir?
Welcome to Adopt Gobag.
Thanks, bro.
Opry? Yes.
Nice to meet you, Opry.
Thank
you, bro.
Are we gonna go restaurant week or are we gonna go to recommend?
Restaurant week, definitely. Yeah.
Alright. We have our special drinks that we're going with tonight. We have the lime and ginger.
Lime and ginger?
Yeah, okay. And we have the Jamaica cranberry and Absolute Cocoa Power.
Okay, cool.
My favorite is the Jamaica cranberry.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
It's right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys.
As I said, my favorite is the Jamaica cranberry. I love it. Yeah, whiskey, cranberry. I don't know, I'm crazy about whiskey. Just have a different taste from rum.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Sometimes we just cut off our rum. Every day we have rum.
That's so true.
Yeah, man.
So, as you guys can see the menu really quick, I think I'm going more for curried shrimp.
Take it back.
And yeah, thanks bro. Yeah, so you guys can see the menu, whatever. Alright guys, so as always we have a task according to see what we go order. So we can't order the same main course because
the same of anything.
The same of anything because she likes to steal.
No, we gotta try stuff.
So she called dibs on the potato skins for the appetizers and I called dibs on the seafood fritter, so that's a win-win. But I called dibs on the curried shrimp as I said before, and she wanted that, so what are you going for, babe? Twisted mac and cheese, right? Are you sure? Did you get it? Whatever. So she might be getting that and get something else. And I called dibs on the rum cake, and she called dibs on the Oreo cake. So you're gonna be seeing 2 appetizers, 2 main courses, and 2 desserts. So I hope you guys like this, and I hope we like it too. And yeah, we got water. Drink up.
You were on the beach today?
Yeah.
Did you see it coming out nice there?
They are the potato skins.
So that's what I saw bacon. I was like, hell yeah. Let me some bacon.
So you go get spinach artichoke dip.
Like if you can't have the seafood because
dip. That's the Italian, that's the bread with the tomatoes and stuff. Yeah, but it's pretty good. Alright guys, so we got the food here. This is the seafood fritters. Generally in Jamaica the fritters are normally like flat, but this one looks more like a dumpling. It's a bit strange for me, but whatever. And that sauce over there. And we got the Jameson drink. It's made with cranberry juice, whiskey, Red Bull, and I don't know what else. And this is a spinach artichoke looking dip type of thing. I'm gonna tell you guys what that tastes like as well. You know, but the food here looks pretty good so far, and yeah. So the lowdown for me personally, I'm never normally a big fan of restaurant week because I feel like restaurants normally, they just want to be a part of it and make some quick money or to get their restaurant out there, and not all of them normally puts like the best foot forward, like show their best talent with a budget price. So I'm not so hyped as yet, but I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna definitely let you guys know if Hard Rock got it or not. Because you know, for the vlog, I'm gonna try it honestly with the food and things, see me? Alright, Hard Rock. Yo, with the British thing right here, it's really good. It tastes like something like your grandmother makes. Like seriously, it's very soft and nice. You can taste the fish in every bite, but like that. And whatever the sauce is, it complements it like 100%. Like I've never, normally in Jamaica we don't have a sauce with the fritters, but like that sauce, whatever that sauce is, it's a sauce. You know what I'm saying? It's fire. So I like that. I'm gonna try some of Judah's weird looking thing and let you know.
Did you buy one already? Did you buy a whole in one go?
Yeah. No, I took a bite. Not that.
God damn, boy, you in that mouth.
So I'm gonna try this dip thing and let you guys know what's up. Alright, so like already 100% they win, because normally when you have like a soft food, it's good to match it with like something crispy. And this, I can feel a crisp in it, so let's see. The dip is really nice, very cheesy, very creamy. This though, I'm not so interested in this. As I said, it's about texture, so this part is like just a texture thing. But it's like a really good cracker. I like this. This is, you know what I've been good with? Like some fried bread from this morning. Bro, you know that we know you know. Let's go. Guys, I'm a little bit surprised. Like, I forgot they said it's a seafood fritter. I think it was only sausage. I think I just had a piece of lobster. Banging. Seriously. Like guys, the drink also comes in the price as well. So that's awesome. I think one time with it, I'd have to ask my sister, but I think one time my sister went to restaurant week and yo, it was horrible. I'm doing awesome. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it's awesome. Thank you. So like, when the three of us went out, and what we did, it was like years ago, like 2 years ago, and we ordered the same thing, with like a seafood pasta thing, and it was the worst choice ever, because like all three of them sucked. So like I normally hate it. I skipped probably one restaurant week after that. So now I'm back doing my bang. I see you bored. Huh? With my boo thing, the real thing. Flash is here. See guys, I wasn't lying. Look at that. Open up, baby. Show them what you got. Shrimp bit right there. Oh, baby. Yeah. Guys, I'm about to do something really reckless. I'm mixing Caribbean with that Caucasian goodness. We about to make a beautiful baby with this. Here we go. That was weird. Oh. Thank you.
Alright. Are you through with that? Yeah, I couldn't pack it. Huh? I actually just boxed it for you.
So we got the
we're not able to do a box. Okay, I'm going to go.
We got this. Ooh. Looks good. Let's see how it tastes. And the food have you weird, you know? She said the food can't done. Like just they well want the food done. But I'm telling you, the itis, the nigger-itis, the negro-itis, trust me. The itis is real. This is it's probably a racial thing. The itis is real. Some person said that. Some person said that.
So, send the dessert now?
Yeah, please.
Alright, so it would be rum cake.
Yeah, I remember some person said like with the itis, it's from slavery time. Like when you used to get food or something back in a slavery time and then we go sleep under the tree or some crap like that. I don't even know what them say. And then I hear some person say something like it's because of the food that we have, like it's high in fats and cholesterol or whatever, so they make go our sleep. I don't know. Do you guys know why we got the itis? Where am I? Oh, this looks good. I hope it tastes good. Dude, I got that Oreo cheesecake. I never thought it would look like this. It looked like a little zebra and stuff.
Yeah.
So eat that zebra, baby. Eat that gazelle. It's bomb. Yeah, you should have seen her eyes roll back. I'm the only one that make her eyes roll back like that. Get it, baby. Tastes like heaven. So let me give you my honest review. So like the curry shrimp that I had, the flavors were good. Potato was great, the vegetables were great, the curry itself was great. The shrimp, not so popping because with them like a genetic modified looking shrimp, them big shrimp there. I don't really like it as much as like the local shrimp where you see me where you bite into the flavor is good. Like I realized with lobster normally you have to have like the flavors on top of it, like you know, butters and stuff, because when you bite the lobster, you know normally that flavorful, you have this kind of little, yeah. But shrimp different. Shrimp for me normally have that flavor. This shrimp never really whatever, but it was pretty good. If I was supposed to rate it, I'd give it like a 7.5 out of 10. But when this rum cake thing came to the table, it looked good, but I was a little bit disappointed with the cake at the bottom, the muffin looking crap. I don't like cakes really. But when I tried that shit just now, somebody praise him. But it's good. I always like making having ice cream and cake. Wow. I'm a big cheesecake fan, and a cheesecake just now was like really good. I think it's more like a New York style cheesecake. It's good, and what I like, the Oreo isn't like overpowering. You see me? It's just like, even the design of the cheesecake is not what I expected. It's really good. I like it. Alright guys, like seriously, Judah and I have a food baby. And we need to lose a baby like really fast. I swear my belly is so big. Like seriously feel uncomfortable.
I have twins.
You have twins and we have quadruplets. So that's 6 feet, we can't feed them. But the good part about it, guys, that means that when you come here, you're getting a full meal. The downside is that you can't like carry food out if you're a restaurant week. But you have to pay like you have to pay for the box, like $100, but no big deal. But anyway, guys, we're gonna sell up the bill really quick. If we don't have enough money, we're gonna wash some dishes and stuff, and you might not see it for a couple of vlogs, I don't know. But anyway, guys, as always, I'm gonna leave you with 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. And remember to keep the link. And if you guys love the video, definitely hit that like button, guys. I appreciate you guys like the video. I see you guys liking that video a lot, like a lot more than usual, so big up to yourself, man.
I love the excitement.
Yeah, that's the shit. I love the excitement. I kinda like that. And yeah, keep the link, guys. Love, nature, adaptation. So let me just comment this really quick. So on the thing, well, they said, oh, it's 2,800, but then there's gratuity, GCT and gratuity additional. So pretty much the bill After a rough calculation, it's probably like an extra $2 grand. A whole extra $2 grand. So it's not going to be, it's not going to cost you 2,800. It's going to cost you somewhere about like, probably like 4 grand. 4 grand one or something like that. So it's pretty expensive. Me personally, I don't consider it to be like a dealer or discount. It's not. It really isn't. Based on what we got. But the food was.